Hi folks, this is Richard Rodriguez from Million Dollar Mindset. I'm going to show you a trick on how to put tags in your YouTube content without having to type them in every time. Kind of helps save you money. I'm not sure if you're aware on how to do this, but I'm going to show you right now. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and go into my screen here and I will walk you through it. Okay guys, now you see that I'm here at my web page. Once you're in your web page and you're logged in as who you are in this web page, go ahead and click on the home button and you want to scroll down to settings. And there are several ways to get to this, but I'm just going to show you this particular way. Left click on settings. Once you go into settings, you want to click on view additional features. Go into additional features and you are going to go down to channel if it's not already highlighted for you. Click on upload defaults. Now this is the key. If you want to put an entire sentence or phrase or whatever the case you may want, like making money online, it needs to be in parentheses. If you want to put just a single word, you just want to put a space. So if, for example, I have a single word which is millionaire, a single word which is entrepreneurship, a single word which is entrepreneur, and then marketing, right? But back here, I have an actual phrase, work from home, and you see how that's in parentheses. Let me go ahead and make a live one for you so it kind of give you an idea what it looks like. You go down to the end here, and then I am going to space, and I'm going to put freedom. Okay, space. Freedom's now going to show up. Now I wanted to put, say, another one, and this one I am going to put a name. So I'm going to put parentheses, and I'm going to put Dave Sharp. Okay, let me go ahead and save this, and it will save. So if I go in here to create a video, let's go back to the beginning so I can create a video. Alright, now that we're back on my home page, I am going to upload a fake video. So I'm going to click on the little camera icon, I'm going to click upload, and I am going to click a test recording. So let's go to test recording. Now you notice when I went to test recording, it pulls up the back end as if I'm going to upload it, right? So, making money online. Remember I showed you how I put that in parentheses? Work from home, put that in parentheses. Millionaire, entrepreneurship, entrepreneur. Those were just spaced words. Now look, I've added Dave Sharp and I added freedom. Remember I told you how easy it was to add? So this is the way you go about doing that. You go into your defaults to get these to add automatically. You can do the same thing with entrepreneurship and financial freedom. You can do that. That's going to be your title. So every single time I go to upload a video, that's the title that it puts in there. I can change the title or I can add to the title, whatever the case may be I want to do. Same thing for tags. You could also, like I said, you can put that in there. You can even do that to description. The description, it's changing too much. It changes too much. So I don't want that to be default. But this is going to be the default, and this can be the default. Now if you have TubeBuddy, which if you've seen my previous videos, I suggest you get TubeBuddy. It's free. It does have different tiers for different things. For example, right now the free TubeBuddy gives you 3 different tags that you can add. If I wanted to add another tag and it gives you ideas, say I don't have financial freedom in here, which I don't. Let me go ahead and add that. Finance industry, I don't have that in here. Maybe I want to add that. And then Eric Thomas, I have no idea who that is. But let's say I wanted to add Eric Thomas, I can do that. And remember, only 3. Now, if you pay for the tier, it can give you up to 207 in this particular case. So this is kind of how it works. Now, anyway, if y'all have any other questions about this, feel free to leave it down in the comment section. And I try to answer every single comment that I get, whether it be a positive comment or a negative comment. So please do leave those comments. I have a question for you. Did you know that you could auto default tag and descriptions and other things inside of your YouTube video? If you knew that, excellent. If you didn't know that, I hope that I taught you something today. Once again, this is Richard Rodriguez from $1 Million Mindset. If you find any value in the videos that I make, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that little bell to be notified of any future videos that I make. And as always, you have to ask yourself one question. Do you have that $1 Million Mindset?